Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the preparation of carboxylic acid. Preparation of carboxylic acid. In that, first one, oxidation of alcohols. Oxidation of alcohols. See, alcohols are undergoes oxidation, then formation of direct carboxylic acid. That too, primary alcohol. What I am telling you, all primary alcohol alcohols undergoes oxidation in the presence of KMnO4. If you take KMnO4 in acidic medium or basic alkali medium, and neutral medium. See, primary alcohol undergoes oxidation with KMnO4 in acidic medium or basic or alkali medium or neutral medium, then formation of carboxylic acids. And another two important reagents are there. Those are potassium dichromate, another one CrO3. CrO3 in the presence of H2SO4, this reagent is said to be Jones reagent. And K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium. Acidic medium only, they will raise the question. K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium only, primary alcohol converted into carboxylic acids. Okay. So this is the function of oxidizing agent. KMnO4 works in acidic medium or basic or alkali medium or neutral medium. K2Cr2O7 acidic medium. CrO3 also in the presence of sulfuric acid in acidic medium, which is called Jones reagent. All primary alcohols are converted into carboxylic acids. Okay. We'll see one reaction. See, here I am taking ethanol. See, ethanol, you take any reagent out of these three, any one. So, for example, here I am taking KMnO4 in the presence of H2SO4 or acid medium. So, this is ethanol converted into direct carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid, CH3COOH. Okay, just to remember the function of these reagents. These reagents, the function is that all primary alcohol converted into carboxylic acid. For example, I am taking, you see, this is the decanol. What is this? Decane 1 mole. Otherwise, decanol. So, decanol is reaction with I am taking Jones reagent. Already know what is the Jones reagent. CrO3 plus H2SO4. So, this is the Jones reagent. This Jones reagent function is that all primary alcohol converted into carboxylic acid. You know the answer. Decanol converted into decanoic acid. What is that? CH3, CH2 decanylate, COOH. What is this? Decanoic acid. What happens? See? Decanoic acid will be formed. Okay? Right. This is the function of three reagents. You remember. What are those three? KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium or alkali or basic medium or neutral medium. And remaining CrO3 in acidic medium, K2Cr2O7 also in acidic medium, all primary alcohol converted to carboxylic acid. Next, we'll discuss about this is a very important issue. So, very, very important. See, in this reaction, oxidation of alkyl benzene. So, very, very important, and competitive level also this reaction they are asking number of times. See here. Here I am taking toluene, methyl benzene. which is reaction with KMnO4 in the presence of basic medium, then formation of potassium benzoate it will be formed. What will be formed? Potassium benzoate. This is furtherly undergoes hydrolysis, then formation of benzoic acid it will be formed. Benzoic acid. Okay. Sometimes they will mention this reaction only. Toluene reaction with KMnO4 in the presence of water, KOH and water, then direct we say answer benzoic acid. Direct. Okay. So here I will give the wonderful technique. Remember this technique. Direct to single answer it will be found by this reagent. By this reagent. Direct to single answer benzoic acid. That to benzoic acid only. See some more example I have taken here. For example, on benzene I have taken ethyl benzene. Same ethyl benzene reaction with KMnO4 plus a KOH and followed by hydrolysis. No confusion at all. Direct to give the answer is that benzoic acid. Direct to benzoic acid. How many alkyl carbons are there? Mean ethyl, propyl, butyl, whatever is there. How many number of carbons are there? So direct your answer is that COH. Any number of carbon. For example, see here I am taking butyl benzene. Same reagent. Then answer don't get any confusion. Direct you can say benzoic acid. See benzoic acid it will be found. Okay, right. This is the main product. Some other compounds also undergoes, not alkyl benzene, some other compounds. For example, like that, styrene on benzene CH2 double bond CH2, styrene, and this is benzoyl chloride. Okay, and acetophenone. Okay, these all are reactions with the same reagent. First reagent KMnO4 plus KOH and followed by second one hydrolysis. So the direct answer is that what is that? Benzoic acid. So don't think this reagent coming and reaction with these reactants. Direct your answer is benzoic acid. Here also same benzoic acid. Here also you take same benzoic acid. You don't get any type of confusion here. Okay, right. So next one important question to discuss. They asked from previous year's competitive exam. They are taken upside CH3, downside the acetophenone. So name is that 4-methyl acetophenone. 4-methyl acetophenone is reaction with the same first reagent KMnO4 plus KOH and followed by hydrolysis. Then what happens? Don't get any confusion. Alkyl group also oxidized by KMnO4.